The EU is rolling out its new entry-exit system, replacing passport stamps with digital checks. In this video, the UK is ramping up its awareness campaign on the EU border changes.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell, to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigration-and-migration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you, and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance.
The UK government has launched a nationwide campaign to prepare British travellers for major changes to EU border rules. The campaign highlights the upcoming introduction of the EU's Entry-Exit System, or EES, which will apply from the 12th of October 2025. Information will be shared through government social media channels, transport operators, and travel websites, with full details available on gov.uk and the FCDO's Travel Aware pages. The EES is an automated border system that replaces manual passport stamping for non-EU travellers, including UK citizens. It requires passport scan at the border, photograph taken, and fingerprint scan. Registration is completed at the border during the first trip and will remain valid for 3 years or until the passport expires. Even babies will need to have a photo taken, although children under 12 will not be fingerprinted. EES will be required when entering Schengen area countries, which include all EU Schengen members: Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, and Switzerland. It will not apply when travelling to Ireland or Cyprus. The EU will phase in the system over 6 months, meaning requirements may vary at different ports until April 2026. At the Port of Dover, Eurotunnel in Folkestone, and Eurostar at St Pancras International, EES checks will take place before departure from the UK. While EES is an EU-run system, the UK is working closely with ports, airlines, and ferry operators to minimise disruption. While the checks may cause some initial delays, the system is designed to streamline travel in the long term. What are your thoughts on this issue? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigration-and-migration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.